Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. And then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Vietnam's car maker Fishfun on Saturday began handing its first batch of 1,000 electric Sport Elite is set to electric customers, with UC deliveries of the Vencilor to the biggest since in December. FinFest, which began operation in 2019, is growing up to expand in the UC's market, where it hopes to compete with legacy automakers and startups with its two electronic Solve the FP4, FP9, including battery leasing to reduce the power's price. The first batch of 15,000 ounces will be for UC and North American markets. Mass production will start from next week. FinFirst Global Chief Executive T. Hugh told returns on the start list of delivery ceremony at its pride in Vietnam's northern province of Haiphong. When first part of Eurusd GAC will start shipping cars overseas in November and customers will have cars delivered as on December to say. The company has registered almost 65,000 reservation sessions globally, and it expects to sell 70 and 50,000 first per year by 2028, starting with the FI and FI9 electric shoes. In March, Finfo said it would build a production and in North Carolina with an initial project of capacity of 150,000. Of years, it stepped back in July to raise less 4 billion in funding for the project. Yun Ketchung was among the first local customers to have their cars delivered at Saturday's event. I thought I had to wait until November to get my car delivered, but I was surprised that the waiting time was cut short, said Chang, who inaugurated his event in January, just 2 months after the model was introduced. Battery leasing is an advance for the customer. He did why should we buy a battery? The F8 and F9 facelift will start for 2 and 2000 and 19 7,000 references for UC customer, excluding the cost to lease the electric battery from September. The company will also offer customer options that industry batteries. In March, first it would build a production plant in North Carolina with a potential project company of 1,000 year. It appeared based in July to raise less 4 billion funding the project. FinFirst, which began operation, is gearing up to expand the UC market, where it hopes compete with legacy automakers and startups with also electronic shops, including battery leasing to reduce the price decrease. The first batch of units will be over UC and North American markets. Mass production will start from next week. Finfirst Global Chief Executive Leti to titled the tours of the slide list of delivery ceremony at its pride in Vietnam's northern province of Haiphong. FinFirst, part of Eurusd GAC, will start shipping cars overseas. In November, in customer will have cars delivery as soon as December to site. The company has registered almost 3% globally and expects to sell every year by starting with the and electric use. In March, FinFirst said it would build a production plant in North Carolina with an initial project company. In years, it applied based in July to raise the 4 billion in funding for the project. Battery leasing it offers to customers who issued by battery. The FP server will start customer including the cost to lease the electric battery. From September, the company will also offer customer options the included batteries. Okay, just that from me. And then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.